Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we will discuss about the banking recurring deposit account sums. So let's start. Now first of all, what is recurring deposit account? In the bank, recurring deposit account is one of the kind of the account where you keep a fixed amount per month for minimum 1 year, maximum 5 years, 7 year. Now, if you are keeping your suppose example rupees 1,000 per month, so every month you have to deposit 1,000 rupees. If you want to keep this account for 3 years, then 3 years you have to deposit per month. So 36 month you have to deposit the amount. Now, so after the maturity, suppose you are keeping your account for 3 years. So after 3 years, whatever amount you have deposited along with interest, you will get it back at the time of maturity. So that is the maturity value. Now, how to calculate interest? Now, you know the simple interest formula, PRT upon 100, where P is the principal amount. But here our deposit is based on per month. For example, suppose my deposit is for n months. So first month I am depositing 1,000, suppose second month also, third month also, like that till nth month I will deposit. So you know it is an arithmetic progression. So my first term is 1. Last term is n. So sum of months when I calculate, then it will be, you know this formula, first term plus last term. So n by 2, 1 plus n. So it will be now monthly basis. So when you just convert this, our principal amount is the amount which we deposit per month, that is a monthly installment. Our time is n into n plus 1 by 2. Rate we are considering small r upon 100 based on per month divided by 12. So you can write the interest formula as P into n plus 1 into R upon 2400. Directly you can write. Now at the time of maturity, your maturity value will be the P into n, total amount deposited by you, plus interest. So you have to concentrate on these two formulas. Students, suppose I am depositing 2,000. So my monthly installment is rupees 2,000 for 3 years. So my small n, that's the number of months, 3 years. So 3 into 12, 36 months. At 11%. So my rate will be 11%. I have to calculate interest as well as maturity value. Now, first of all, first you calculate the interest. You know the formula P into n plus 1 into R upon 2400. Now, what is your monthly installment? 2,000. Number of months? 36. So 36 plus 1 into 11 upon 2004. You can reduce it. Okay. 12 2s are, 3s are, equals to 330 into 37. When I multiply, it will be 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. Now, in second step, I can calculate maturity value. First, always write the formula P into N plus I. Our principal is 2000 into a number of months 36. Our interest is, now this is 36 to the 72,000. $84,210. Students, next one. Suppose I am depositing 2,500. So my monthly installment P will be 2,500 for 2 years. So 2 into 12 is 24 months. I am getting 66,250 at the time of maturity. So that is my maturity value. And I have to find out the rate of interest. Now, whenever maturity value is given, first apply the formula of maturity value. Now, you know that maturity value is 66,250. Now, this is 2,500 into 24 plus I. You can multiply this. On multiplication, you will get it at 60,000. So when you subtract, your interest will be 6,250. Now you can apply the formula of interest. You know that it is P into N plus 1 into R upon 2,400. Your principal amount is 2,500. N is 24. 24 plus 1. Rate you don't know. But now you know the interest. It is 6,250. Now, cancel out this. 24 will get cancelled. So, your 6,250 upon this 25. 24 plus 1 is also 25. Equal to will give you rate. You know 25 square is 625. So your rate will be 10%. So you can easily calculate the rate also. Now, next one. Now I am depositing a certain amount for 2 years. That means for 24 months at 6% and I am getting 1,200 as an interest. So I have to calculate monthly installment. Now, you know interest formula. P into N plus 1 into R whole upon 2,400. Now, interest is given 1,200. Principal amount, that is my monthly installment, I don't know. This is 24. 24 plus 1 into 6 upon 2,400. When I reduce, now I can transfer everything this side. So 1,200 into 50 upon this 25 into 3 will give me the monthly installment. 2s are. So my monthly installment is rupees 800. So when I am depositing 800 per month for 24 months at 6%, then only I will get the interest 1,200. Students, next one. Suppose I am depositing 2,000 per month at 10%. I am getting 83,100 at the time of maturity. So I have to deposit for how many months or years? So you have to calculate the number of months. You can convert it into years afterwards. Now, First of all, I will calculate, suppose maturity value is P into N plus I. Now my maturity value is this. Monthly installment is 2000, but I don't know N as well as I. So I will find out I in terms of N. So it is minus 2000 N. So I got interest in terms of N. Now I will apply formula of interest. You know the formula. Same formula you have to apply. Now your interest is this. From first equation, substitute the value. Your monthly installment is 2000 and we don't know. R is 10%. Four fives are 6 are. Now here you got 5 into 5, 25. Here you take 25 common. When you take 25 common, you will get 3324 minus 80n. And that's at 25 into n. When you multiply, it will be n square plus n divided by 3. Now 25 you can cancel on both the sides. Now cross multiply, n square plus n. When you multiply this is 9972 minus 240n. Transfer this side, plus 1 is there. Now minus 240 to this side plus 240, together it will be 241n minus 9972 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. You should find the two factors in such a way their multiplication is 9972 and the difference is 241. So my factors are 277 and 36. So you'll get two brackets, n plus 277 n minus 36. So your n will be minus 277 or n is 36. Negative value you have to discard. Number of months can never be negative. So your n is 36. So either you write 36 months or you can write it is 3 years. So when I keep my amount for 3 years, when I deposit 2000 per month for 3 years at 10%, my maturity value is 83,100. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now, I hope you have understood everything. Then also, if any doubt, comment or mail. Thank you.